Okay, hello poker friends. Today we have the maiden voyage of the new Saeco Espresso machine. Like I said, it is the maiden voyage. It's the first day we do the maiden voyage. And that's why they call it the maiden. So if you will go back, my wife is not very good with the camera. You will never guess because most of the Chinese people are very good with the camera. Anyway, so we have the Saeco machine here, very nice machine. And I have to say, my friend, my best friend, Dr. Lecce, he took me a very good recommendation for this machine. And he a pretty smart guy, PhD, all that kind of stuff, you know. Anyway, so first we have the cups. So we take the cups here. And then we put the cups underneath to get the thing hot. It has to be hot. So we put a little hot. And you can see the hot water come out. Hopefully the hot water come out. And it gets the cup nice and hot. And they get this thing here nice and hot. And then we stop. You have to wait a few minutes because of drip. Drip. You hear the drip. Okay? Then we take this nice little dish here so we don't get the water all over the place. And we take out the group. We call this a group. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, we have to open the coffee. This is the very good coffee. This is the best coffee in the world, the Lavazza. I'm making myself. It's a very nice coffee, a beautiful aroma. And we put 3 cups of coffee in here. Maybe 2. And then you make a look at this. You clean it nice, we're nice, you know, clean it very nice over here. And you take this tamp, and you just very lightly tamp, not too hard, not very nice tamp. Then you put this in here. It's best if you remove the cups first. And you press this button. And there comes the coffee. You see it from this way. The nice crema. You see the crema? It's very nice. Then you say, when the time is stop, you stop. And that's a nice. See, it says Aroma there. Aroma. That's my friend Bob, Dr. Lecce. He said that's a good machine. And now we like to see the coffee. And the crema is very nice and beautiful. It looks like a very nice coffee. Now, to finish the coffee, we need to put the sugar. We put the sugar. And the sugar. And we need a little one of these spoon. This is called a demi-tasse spoon. And we do a nice little circle like that. I think, okay. And that, my poker friends, is the espresso machine. Thank you very much.